We'll guide you through how to use Cursor with Claude on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Cursor website. Once you're there, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on the Sign Up button if you haven't created an account yet, or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to your workspace. Now, to integrate Claude, you'll need to access the settings. Look for an icon that looks like a gear, usually located in the lower left corner. Click on it, and then select Connectors from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll or search for Claude and click on it. You'll be prompted to connect your Claude account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Enter your details and authorize the connection. Once connected, go back to your workspace. You should now see Claude as an option in your toolbar or sidebar. To use it, simply click on the Claude icon, and a new panel will open. You can type your queries or commands directly into this panel. Claude will process your input and provide responses or actions based on your requests. Remember, you can adjust the settings for Claude by going back to the Integrations menu if needed. This way, you can tailor the responses to better fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.